Today I'm sharing raw banana curry recipe. It's a very simple yet flavorful dish packed with nutrition and medley of spices. So let's begin. Here I have taken a green raw banana. You can take two small ones as well. Then start by peeling it first. Just create a slit on the peel and then it's not so hard to peel it. It could be little sticky though, so either wear some gloves or apply a little bit of oil to your hands before peeling. After peeling, cut the banana into slices. Slices will be around 1/4 of an inch thick, so do not make it too thick or too thin either. Very thick slices could be hard to cook and also difficult to eat in a curry. Now I am putting these banana slices in a steamer. You can put all of them together but just spread it out and steam them for about 3 to 4 minutes. This will cook them a little bit from inside and also reduce their stickiness. Next step is to prepare a marinade for the banana. Here I am adding rice flour, coriander powder, turmeric, chilli powder, amchur powder, fennel powder, mustard powder, cumin powder, garam masala, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, some oil, a few drops of lemon and some water to make a paste. You can check all the quantities in the recipe description. Also, I would love to hear from you guys. So do let me know in comments if you tried the recipe and if you and your family enjoyed it. Also subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes like this. So now a thick paste kind of marinade is ready and we will add the steamed banana slices in it after the slices have cooled down a bit after steaming. Rub the marinade on all the banana slices, coating all of them really well and let it sit for about 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare a paste for the gravy. In a grinder jar, add 1 cup fresh grated coconut, 2 teaspoon poppy seeds, 2 green chillies, 4 to 5 small pearl onions, 1 medium sized tomato, some soaked Kashmiri red chilli, ginger and garlic, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and few tablespoons of water. Grind all of this together and set it aside. Banana slices have marinated, so now we will shallow fry it in a pan. Put some oil in a pan and spread the banana slices in a single layer after the oil is hot and let them fry on each side 3 to 4 minutes. It will form a crisp layer outside and inside will still be soft. It will be done once a crisp layer has formed. Flip it and cook it from both sides. Keep the heat between low and medium so that it cooks slowly and evenly from each side. High heat will burn the marinade too quickly, so make sure to cook it on low heat. Once it's done, you can check it with the help of a knife, poke it and check if it's cooked properly. Otherwise, cook for few more minutes. It took me total of 8 minutes to cook from both sides. Then take it out on a plate. Time to make gravy. For this, add a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and few curry leaves. Let it splutter and saute it for a bit. Then add that gravy paste we made and saute it on medium heat. After 2 minutes, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste and 2 teaspoons curry powder. I am not adding many spices here as this gravy has much flavor from the ingredients we grinded earlier, and that's why it will be simple yet flavorful gravy. So saute this paste for few more minutes until it becomes slightly dry and releases oil from sides. This should take about 5 to 6 more minutes. Then add 1 cup of water in the same grinding jar, mix it well and pour it in the gravy, and then add additional 1 more cup of water and let this gravy simmer for 2 minutes. Consistency of this gravy can be adjusted by using more water if needed. As the gravy simmers now on medium heat, we will add the banana slices one by one, and I will also add half a cup of coconut milk to it to give it some more creaminess. Give it a good mix and cover it and let it cook for 5 more minutes, stirring once or twice in between. It smells and looks amazing now and is completely cooked. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with rice or roti. Do try this recipe and thanks for watching.